The second game of the February 1993 LSAT introduces us to Dr. Yamata, who works only on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. And on these days, she performs 4 different activities: lecturing, operating, treating patients, and conducting research. It then tells us that each working day she performs exactly one activity in the morning, exactly one activity in the afternoon. So this is clearly a multilinear game. And Dr. Yamamata's schedule must satisfy the following restrictions. All right, so let's take a look here at the conditions. The first condition tells us she performs operations on exactly 3 mornings. All right, so on exactly 3 mornings, we are going to see operations. Second condition, if she operates on Monday, she does not operate on Tuesday. Contrapositive, if she operates on Tuesday, then she does not operate on Monday, which means we cannot operate on both Monday and Tuesday. The third condition tells us that she lectures in the afternoon on 2 consecutive calendar days. All right, so in the afternoon, we're going to see 2 days, consecutive calendar days, have lectures. Now, again, it's important to note at this point, Wednesday and Friday are not consecutive calendar days. So at this point, we're either going to go Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Friday, Saturday. Wednesday, Friday is not a possibility because, again, they are not consecutive calendar days. The fourth condition tells us that she treats patients on exactly 1 morning and exactly 3 afternoons. So she's going to be treating patients on exactly 1 morning and exactly 3 afternoons. So at this point, you notice we have filled up our afternoon. We have 3 treating patients, 2 lecturing. The only thing left is 1 spot in the morning, and if you notice, the 5th condition tells us she conducts research on exactly 1 morning. So now we know what Dr. Yamamata is doing in the morning and what she's doing in the afternoon. The only question that remains is on which day is she doing what? And the 6th and final condition tells us on Saturday she neither lectures nor performs operations. And that piece of information is going to allow us to make a number of deductions. Because notice, if we can't lecture in the afternoon on Saturday, we have to be treating patients. If we can't lecture on the afternoon on Saturday, well, we have to go consecutive calendar days. So that means Friday can't be lecture, which the only other possibility for the afternoon is, again, treating patients. So we know Friday and Saturday are treating patients. Now you should notice our lecturing block is either going to go Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday. So no matter what, we are going to lecture on Tuesday, and then we're going to have lecture and treating patients, reverse dual options for Monday and Wednesday. Turning my attention now to the morning. Well, if Dr. Yamamata doesn't operate on Saturday morning, her only option for Saturday morning is going to be to research or treat patients. But now the important thing to note is we have 4 days remaining in the morning and we need 3 operations. But we cannot operate on both Monday and Tuesday. So notice the possibilities. If we operate on Monday, we are not going to operate on Tuesday, which means we have to operate on Wednesday and Friday. If we operate on Tuesday, we can't operate on Monday, which means we are operating on Wednesday and Friday. And you notice that in both of those scenarios, we are always operating on Wednesday and Friday. So we can conclude with 100% certainty that we are operating on Wednesday and Friday. So now what's left? 1 operation that's either going to go on Monday, and then the reverse of treating patients and research is going to go on Tuesday, or the other operation would go on Tuesday and the reverse of treating patients and research would go on Monday. And that would be the setup for this game.